Do you often find yourself juggling dozens of tabs and struggling to keep them organized? Tab groups in Helium Browser can help you bring order to the chaos. If you regularly work with lots of tabs open at the same time, tab groups can help you stay organized and reduce clutter. Instead of having dozens of unrelated tabs mixed together, you can group tabs by topic, project, or activity and manage them as a single unit. A tab group appears directly in the tab bar and can contain as many tabs as you need. Each group has its own name and color, making it easy to identify different categories at a glance. For example, you might have one group for work, another for research, and another for entertainment. Let's start by creating a tab group. There are 3 different ways to do this in Helium Browser. The first method is through the browser menu. Click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner, select Tab Groups, and then click Create New Tab Group. The second method is to right-click any tab, choose Add Tab to Group, and then select New Group. The third method is the keyboard shortcut Alt+Shift+P, which instantly creates a new tab group. After creating a group, you'll be asked to choose a name and color. Give the group a name that matches its purpose and select a color that helps it stand out. Once you've done that, the tab group is ready to use. You can create as many groups as you like for different topics and workflows. If you ever want to change a group's name or color, simply right-click the group and update the settings at any time. Now let's look at how tab groups work. When you click on a group's name, all tabs inside that group collapse into it. This helps free up space in the tab bar and makes it easier to focus on the tabs you're currently using. Clicking the group name again expands the tabs back into view. Tab groups can also be moved around just like regular tabs. Simply click and drag a group to reposition it within the tab bar. Managing tabs inside a group is also very simple. You can drag tabs into a group to add them or drag tabs out of a group to remove them. This makes it easy to reorganize your workspace as your needs change. You can also rearrange tabs within a group at any time. Simply drag a tab to a different position inside the group to keep related pages organized in the order that makes the most sense for your workflow. One of the most useful features of tab groups is that they are saved even after you close the browser. This means you can access your groups later even if your startup setting is not configured to continue where you left off. If you can't see your saved groups, click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. Open Settings and go to Appearance and Behavior. Make sure both Show Bookmarks Bar and Show Tab Groups in Bookmarks Bar are enabled. Your saved groups will then appear in the Bookmarks Bar and clicking one will reopen the entire group. If you prefer not to use the Bookmarks Bar, there's another way to access saved groups. Click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner, select Tab Groups, find the group you want, and choose Open Group. When you no longer need a group, right-click it and select Close Group. This closes the group while keeping it available for later use. If you want to remove it completely, right-click the group and choose Delete Group instead. And that's everything you need to know about tab groups in Helium Browser. By organizing related tabs into groups, you can keep your workspace cleaner, find information more quickly, and manage large numbers of tabs much more efficiently. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick Helium Browser tips and tutorials.